Hi, hey there everybody. It's the 22nd day of February 2023 and I'm about to orbit this lighthouse here. I'm at Jones Park in Gulfport, Mississippi. And you can see the orbit is going. Looks pretty good so far. See some of the boats down the docks there. Alright, so it's looking good. It's coming around, no obstacles. Okay, we're about to come back on shore here. Doesn't that look pretty good? There's still a little bit of fog. It was really foggy this morning. And there it takes off. On my screen it looks somewhat dark. Okay, so we're at Jones Park here, and I just want to do a little bit of a flight over some of it so you can just see what this park looks like. It's got a nice walking path on it, and they're building that pavilion over there to the right that you can see. Gonna lift this up a little bit. We're gonna drop the gimbal. Just want to show you some of this park here. You can see the walking path down through there. And they're building that walkway over there to the left that you can see. And that's going over to there. You see that big spiral? That's the Mississippi Aquarium. So you'll be able to walk from this park over to there and back and forth. And then you see more of the trail down there. And then here, yeah, there's a better shot of the lighthouse. So I'll just bring it back here to me. And that'll just about be the video. All right, looking good. All right, here we come. I'm going to start bringing it down. And there we go. All right, so I'm doing the so-called fadeaway again with me here. And there's a little bit of the lighthouse. There we go, we got a little more of it. And almost the whole thing. Oh yeah, there we go.